The world is changing. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming everything we do. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize industries and redefine our lives. At the forefront of this revolution is Microsoft, a tech giant on a mission to democratize AI and make it accessible to everyone. With its groundbreaking ecosystem of 1,800 AI agents, Microsoft is ushering in a new era of intelligent automation. This isn't just about making things faster or more efficient. This is about fundamentally changing the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated, where businesses run with unprecedented efficiency, and where human potential is amplified by intelligent machines. This is the promise of Microsoft's AI agent ecosystem, and it's a future we can all be excited about. But what exactly are these AI agents, and how do they work? In the next section, we'll delve into the heart of Microsoft's AI ecosystem and explore the 1,800 models that are powering this revolution. Microsoft's approach to AI is not about creating a single monolithic intelligence. It's about building an army of specialized agents, each designed to excel in a specific task or domain. These agents are like highly skilled digital workers, ready to take on the challenges of the modern workplace. Imagine an AI agent that can analyze market trends and predict customer behavior, providing invaluable insights to businesses. Or an agent that can automate complex financial processes, freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic tasks. Microsoft's AI agent ecosystem encompasses a vast array of these specialized agents, each trained on massive datasets and equipped with cutting-edge algorithms. But the true power of this ecosystem lies in its ability to integrate seamlessly with existing business processes and systems. Microsoft has designed its AI agents to be plug-and-play solutions, making it easy for businesses to adopt and benefit from this transformative technology. At the heart of Microsoft's AI ecosystem lies a staggering collection of over 1,800 large language models. These LLMs are the building blocks of AI agents, providing them with the ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language with remarkable accuracy. These models are not just massive repositories of data, they are sophisticated algorithms that have been trained on trillions of words and code, enabling them to grasp the nuances of human language and generate text that is often indistinguishable from human-written content. This vast library of LLMs forms the foundation of Microsoft's AI agent ecosystem, providing businesses with an unparalleled level of customization and flexibility. Whether it's an agent that can write compelling marketing copy or an agent that can translate documents into multiple languages, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Microsoft's vision for AI goes beyond simple automation. It's about creating autonomous agents that can operate independently, learning and adapting to changing conditions without constant human intervention. These agents are not just tools, they are partners in innovation, helping businesses achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. Imagine a sales agent that can not only qualify leads, but also schedule meetings and negotiate deals, all without human intervention. Or a customer service agent that can resolve complex issues and provide personalized support 24/7. These are just a few examples of how Microsoft's autonomous AI agents are transforming the way businesses operate. These agents are not designed to replace human workers, but to augment their capabilities, freeing them from mundane tasks and allowing them to focus on higher-level strategic thinking and creative problem-solving. Section 5. Copilot, your AI command center. To harness the power of its AI agent ecosystem, Microsoft has created Copilot, an intelligent assistant that serves as the central hub for interacting with and managing AI agents. Think of Copilot as your personalized AI command center, providing you with intuitive control over your digital workforce. Copilot acts as a bridge between human users and the complex world of AI agents, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to leverage the power of AI. Through Copilot, users can easily deploy, manage, and monitor AI agents, track their performance, and fine-tune their behavior. But Copilot is more than just a management tool. It's also a platform for collaboration, allowing humans and AI agents to work together seamlessly, each leveraging their unique strengths to achieve common goals. Section 6. The Edge of Innovation, bringing AI closer to the data. In the world of AI, speed and efficiency are paramount. That's why Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of edge computing with its Copilot Plus PCs, devices specifically designed to handle the demanding workloads of AI agents. These devices bring AI processing power directly to the source of data, eliminating latency and improving response times. This focus on edge computing is crucial for applications where real-time decision-making is essential. For instance, in a manufacturing setting, an AI agent running on a Copilot Plus PC can monitor production lines in real time, detecting anomalies and making adjustments to optimize efficiency and prevent costly downtime. By bringing AI processing power closer to the data, Microsoft is enabling a new generation of intelligent applications that can operate with unprecedented speed and responsiveness. Section 7. A world of integrations connecting AI to your business. Microsoft understands that for AI to be truly transformative, it needs to work seamlessly with the tools and systems businesses already rely on. That's why the company has made integration a top priority, ensuring that its AI agent ecosystem can connect with a wide range of enterprise applications. Through its Azure AI Model Catalog, businesses can access a vast library of pre-built AI models that can be easily customized and integrated into existing workflows. This means that businesses don't need to start from scratch to adopt AI. They can leverage Microsoft's pre-trained models as a starting point and fine-tune them to meet their specific needs. Moreover, Microsoft provides developers with the tools and resources they need to build custom AI agents that can integrate with virtually any system. This open and flexible approach ensures that businesses can harness the power of AI regardless of their existing technology stack. Section 8. Outsmarting the competition, Microsoft's edge in the AI race. The race to dominate the AI landscape is heating up, and Microsoft is not shying away from the competition. While other tech giants are focusing on general-purpose AI solutions, Microsoft is taking a more targeted approach, building an ecosystem of specialized AI agents that are designed to solve real-world business problems. Microsoft's deep understanding of the enterprise market, coupled with its vast resources and technical expertise, gives it a significant edge in the AI race. The company's commitment to open standards and its collaborative approach to AI development are fostering a vibrant ecosystem of partners and developers, further strengthening its position in the market. By focusing on solving practical business problems and delivering tangible value to its customers, Microsoft is well positioned to lead the AI revolution and shape the future of intelligent automation. Section 9. The future is intelligent, Microsoft's vision for a world powered by AI agents. Microsoft's vision for the future is a world where AI agents are not just tools but collaborators, partners in progress that help us unlock new levels of creativity, productivity, and human potential. This is not a future where machines replace humans, but a future where humans and machines work together in harmony, each augmenting the other's strengths. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, Microsoft is committed to staying at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future of intelligent automation. The company's vast resources, its unwavering commitment to research and development, and its deep understanding of the needs of its customers make it a driving force in the AI revolution. The future is intelligent, and with its groundbreaking AI agent ecosystem, Microsoft is leading the way.